Hi, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. We just finished building this beautiful 427 Ford 550 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's Cobra replica. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build here. We started with a brand new 4-bolt main block, all forged steel internals. We put the roller lifter camshaft in there, double roller timing chain, brand new timing cover, new balancer, high flow fuel pump, all the heavy duty Russell fuel lines, inline gas filter, oil pressure extension on there for easy oil pressure, switch hookup, brass freeze plugs in there, correct rear sump oil pan for the Cobra kit car, AFR aluminum cylinder heads, Cobra valve covers, the real nice 427 badges, roller rocker arms are all fully adjusted and set, distributor set in place. It's real nice blue ignition wires, all the wire markers are on there, MSD ignition coil, aluminum intake manifold, matching Cobra air cleaner, Holley 750 CFM carburetor on there, throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket. Every engine is live run and fully tested at the engine factory. You're going to get a video of your engine running in the stand. You're going to see the manifold vacuum reading, the water temperature, oil pressure cold and hot. We set the ignition timing, adjust the idle mixer screws, set the idle. Everything will be set, ready to go, drop in ready. We also put the QuickTime bell housing on there for the customer's TKX transmission. We have the ram clutch in there, throwout bearing, clutch fork, all set up, ready to go. Customer's also going to be getting the TKX transmission package. We will mount that onto the engine, and the engine will be sent out on an extended skid as a complete drivetrain unit, all ready to go. We have the PCV valve in there, Russell heavy duty line on there, manifold vacuum fittings, these real nice braided fuel lines on the carburetor, high torque mini starter, it's real nice pulley kit on here. This is the 8-rib serpentine belt. This is the correct pulley kit for the Cobra kit cars. The alternator is mounted high and the power steering pump for frame clearance. We have the 140 amp 1-wire hookup alternator right here. 8-rib serpentine belt, high flow aluminum water pump, coolant bypass hose, thermostats installed, thermostat housing, power steering pumps on there. We have the proper pressure valve in there for the customer's Cobra. This is the way you get it, a complete custom built engine for your vehicle, fully tested, drop in ready. When you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554. Send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Thanks for watching.